With regular maintenance, the chain and guide bar of your chainsaw will last a long time. But when the time comes, our new STIHL Cut Kits make it easier than ever to find the correct replacements. Each cut kit includes one guide bar and 2 chains for our most popular chainsaws and pruners, all in one box. The compatible chainsaw models for each cut kit are clearly displayed on the front of each box. And there's also a handy QR code on the back leading to video instructions on how to replace your bar and chain. So how do you know when it's time to replace the chain? A key indicator on all STIHL chains are the wear markers on each tooth. Once the tooth has been filed down to the markers, the chain must be replaced. Regular, effective sharpening will help make your chains last longer, as well as avoiding cutting dirty wood close to the ground. It's important to also regularly check the guide bar for signs of wear. Over time, the rails of the guide bar will wear down. You can check the minimum groove depth of the guide bar using the end of the depth gauge tool. The minimum depth will be listed in the chainsaw's user manual. Keep a close eye out for burrs, chips, or signs of the rails splaying outwards. If there's any doubt, it's best to replace the guide bar and check with a STIHL approved dealer to see if it can be repaired. It's good practice to wear both sides of the guide bar evenly by regularly flipping the guide bar over. Paying close attention to chain tension is important too, as being too loose or too tight will have a big impact on the guide bar's lifespan. STIHL Cut Kits make it easy to keep your chainsaw in top form. Find out more at stihl.co.uk or your nearest STIHL approved dealer.